Hi friends, let's start with our series of solving HackerRank practice problem. Today we are going to solve a problem named called insert a node at the tail of a linked list. This problem basically belongs from the linked list portion of data structure. The basic problem statement given here is you are given a pointer to the head node of a linked list and an integer to add to the list. Create a new node with the given integer, insert this node at the tail of the linked list and return the head. Node of the linked list formed after inserting the new node, the given head pointer may be null, meaning that the initial list is empty. So the first hint from the problem statement given here is that the head could be null also. So the first thing we will write is if head equal to, again null in Python is this. We also need to see the classes that are already been defined. Once this is done, we would return this, and that we will send the data. This function would automatically append our data into the linked list. Once this is done, so this is the first condition, first statement. After that, what if the head is not null? Instead, some element after the head is null. So for that statement, we will initialize a variable called maybe ptr, and we will be initializing with head dot next value. Okay, and we will loop it through while pts will initialize with head instead of next, while pts dot head not equal to none would be simply pts equal to pts dot next. Once this is done, so this will loop the entire linked list until it reaches a point where the next reference is basically null. So once we reach that point, we would be writing ptr equal to single linked list dot data, and I guess we will return ptr. Let's run this code. Okay, sorry, this would be head. It will return the head because in that class automatically the data would be added. So we have to just read this problem statement properly because this type of codes are important. I guess this would work now. Oh, sorry, one mistake I did. It was pts dot next instead of head. because there is pts.head is not possible. It should be pts.next. Okay, getting an error, but still the code is working properly. Yeah, it is executed successfully. Let's just change it to ptr, just because I don't know, because maybe it's a pointer. And this is a variable, it could be anything, but here ptr would basically help you to understand it's probably a pointer. So that's the basic idea. Let's submit the code, and I guess case 2, yeah, the code is successfully executed. So thanks for watching, and as always I would like to say you please send me your feedbacks, comment below the code, and just join the Discord channel or maybe some other platform. I'm trying to create some good platform out here so that like-minded individual could participate in competitive programming, not only in solving problems but in future maybe probably to solve a big hackathons where you have to create an entire project out of yourself. So those things would be pretty interesting, and if you'd like me to create videos on how to win like global hackathons on Hacker Earth, which I have owned basically, then just comment below. I would create a playlist for those, how to prepare for hackathons, how to prepare for competitive programming. I think for preparing for competitive programming, you would basically need to solve a lot of problems, have a basic understanding of data structure. When you don't require to be like too good in data structure, basic understanding, because general hackathons are not too difficult. So those things would be working good. So as always, thanks for watching and have a very nice day.